Canada did she getting the first oil change on the car. I'm at Clay Cooley. Oh.
Get it. Yeah, clean it out.
It didn't, the bottle fell, but this didn't hit the floor. We waiting to get the oil change. And I got my niece with me. Aubrey. Say hello. Thank you. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello. Oh. Bro. She just told you, oh, hey. Look at that damage. Check her feet. On what? On what? Oh, man. We gotta make Clay Cooley Dodge in Irving, Texas, man. They need to get the oil change. Cause this weekend gonna be live. Texas Whip Fest. Here we come. Alright. Where you going? Where you going? Where are you going? Come here. Yeah, she is B-A-D. B-A-D. Hey, hey, hey you. Bang. Y'all, so we at the Clay Cooley or whatever, getting the oil change, and I decided to look outside. And as I look outside, what we saw, what did we see? What the hell did we see? Oh, hold on, before I show y'all what we saw, look at this. Yes, bro. Say, I ain't gonna lie. I think this like a 2021 or something, but whatever it's hard. Only thing I don't be liking about Dodge, man, they be tripped like, yeah, I get, okay, yeah, it's a him woo, but y'all can't put, come on, Dodge, man, y'all gotta do better with these wheels, man. 245s, bro. You ain't gonna catch no traction with that. But anywho, we look outside and look what we see. The exact car. Talking about my exact car. The specs in well, no, I don't know. Let me see. No, this is an 18.
Damn, they look the same.
It's an 18. It got way more miles than me, though.
How many miles where?
38. It's 28.
How much is it?
I don't know. Yo, I'm talking about the exact specs, man. It's crazy. Everything the same. The color.
You sure yours not an 18?
Yeah, mine is 17. Bro, look at it. This is weird, fool. Oh.
Sunroof. What's that now?
Oh.
I can't see it.
Man, bro, that's the only thing.
What is this?
That's the only thing mine don't have. That sunroof. Damn. It's crazy because now, I mean, I'm not no real big sunroof type dude. I mean, if it come with it, come with it. If it don't, it don't. But now sitting in one that have a sunroof.
I'm finna play around with that lady. I'm finna be like, I saw a 392. It's the same exact color. I have the cash for it right now.
Damn.
You think she got?
It got way more miles than mine though. So I'm getting this Clay Cooler. They probably want way more than what I bought my own for. But y'all, this shit crazy. Here go the paperwork right here. 2018. Aubrey, can I see? You just taking over, huh? Y'all, so this thing got the backup camera, the Apple CarPlay, heated seats, sunroof. That's the only thing different mine don't got. I literally just don't have a sunroof. I got everything else. But I need to go see about how much it would be to put one in it, right?
Here?
You
can do that?
Yeah.
True. Automatic?
Sunroof? Yeah. It's the factory people, like it ain't like I'm going to, the little shop.
What if they say 100?
Boy, hell, boy, they gonna try to charge me some thousands.
$1,000 just to get sunroof?
No, thousands, not 1,000. I'm guessing that should probably be like $3,000. Look at this GT.
That was so.
I like the color on it though.
The GT is nothing.
Yeah, it's nothing but this color hard. Bro, take that. If you buy your car, take that shit off. Take that shit off. That shit is used so the bottom of the bumper don't scratch when they go in them fucking trucks. Take that off. I literally found my twin. Somebody come buy my twin. Somebody come by it so we can be twins. Oh shit. Look at this. I ain't see that. I mean the car still. Oh my God, I ain't see that worse. Still 390 Daytona 392 sunroof. Y'all come by it. Let's be twins. You come get it and hit me up on Instagram. Comment below and tell you came got it, and we can be friends. We can be best buds. Yes, we can be best buds. Tell them, Aubrey. Say we can be best buds. Yeah, that challenge is hard.
I want a 392 though.
Boy, look at that truck.
Lord.
Oh my Jesus. Hallelujah. That truck's something special. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That Octane Red grew on me.
You don't like it no more?
No, I do. I said it grew. Like, I mean, it was always a clean color, but now that I got mine, I'm always seeing it. Aubrey talk to people. What you gotta say? All right. You gonna press the button to turn it off? What you gotta say? What else? So that's all you had to say? You just wanted to say that your uncle got the fastest 392 on the planet? Or what? Y'all heard it. She said it, not me. She said it, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Aubrey. Oh.
That nigga dead.
Hey. As long as you don't touch that dope.
No, she gonna.
And you gonna touch. And get man. And you go right back. You think it's a game with me? Not you touch that dope. Yeah, turn it around. Nope. She touched that door. Nope. Uh-oh. Hey, Kim, watch your right finger. Watch this.